Hi, grade 9 students. Welcome to Math-Like TV. Ngayon po ang video ito, aking tuturo sa inyo inverse variation. Tapusin nyo lamang ang video ito hanggang sa dulo upang kayo ay mayroong matutunan. Inyong matutunan ang video ito tungkol sa constant and the equations of inverse variation. Now, without further ado, ating nang simulan. Ang definition dito sa inverse variation, if one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. So dito po sa ating example na table, makikita nyo po yung x quantity ay makikita natin increases at yung y quantity niya ay decreases. So ito po ang definition ng inverse variation. Ngayon, ang kanyang statement dito sa equation niya sa inverse variation, a quantity y varies inversely with quantity x, or y is inversely proportional to x, or equivalently k is equals to xy. Itong k, ito yung constant, okay? And ito namang equivalently na k is equal to xy, itong ating equation of variation. Now, example. If y varies inversely with x and y is equals 8 when x is equals 3, find x when y is equals 2. Ngayon ang ating solution. So the statement y varies inversely with x can be mathematically translated into y is equals k over x, where k is the proportionality constant. Okay, so dito ang given ay when x is equals 3 and y is equals 8. So that's we have 8, substitute lang natin, is equals k over, ang value of x na given ay 3. Then, ang gagawin natin dito, sa equation na ito ay ating cross multiplication. So, 3 times 8, that is 24. Then yung 8, meron denominator na 1. So, 1 times k, that is k. So, the value of constant k is equals 24. Now, substituting this value for k, the relationship for x and y is given by y is equals the value of k, that is 24, over x. Also, ating substitute ang given na value when y is equals 2. We have substitute natin 2 is equals 24 over x because we have finding the value of x. Okay, yan ang pinapahanap sa ating statement. Okay, so cross multiplication natin gagawin. So x times 2, that is 2x. Then itong 2 may denominator na 1. 1 times 24, that's 24. Then, divide natin both side by 2. Dito, ang natira na lang ay yung x. Then, 24 divided by 2, that is 12. So, ang value of x is 12. So, ito po ang solution natin sa ating given example na statement. Ngayon, sa ating pangalawang example, if the temperature is constant, the pressure of a gas in a container varies inversely with the volume of the container. If the pressure is 10 pounds per square foot in a container which has a volume of 3 cubic feet, what is the pressure in a container which has a volume of 1.5 cubic feet? Ngayon ang ating solution sa ating problem solving na ito. Let P be the pressure of the gas in a container with volume. Volume, the symbol is V. Since the pressure inversely proportional to the volume, so that we have P equals K over V. Okay, so yung P, ito yung pressure, itong V, ito yung volume. O where K is a proportionality constant. So, ang given natin ng pressure is equals to 10 pounds. And the volume is equals 3 cubic feet. So, we have, substitute lang natin ang value of P or pressure, 10 is equals K over 3. So then cross multiplication, so that is the constant is 30. Okay. Ngayon itong value of constant ay ating itong isa-substitute dahil itong variable na P and V or pressure and volume are related by the equation. So ang pinapahanap dito, ang tanong, what is the pressure in a container which has a volume of 1.5 cubic feet? So when volume 1.5, we have P is equals 30 over 1.5. Cross multiplication, then after that, ating i-divide. So that is 1.5. So cancel na ito. Ang natira na lang itong P na variable. Then 30 divided by 1.5, that is 20. So therefore, ang kanyang pressure dito in a container of gas with a volume of 1.5 cubic feet as a pressure of 20 pounds per square foot. So yan po ang kanyang final answer. Ngayon po, kung meron po kayong natutunan, pakipindot naman ang like. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, pakipindot naman ang subscribe, maging ang bell notification upang ikaw ay laging naka-update sa mga bagong video ni upload sa aking channel na ito. Ngayon po, bago tayo magtapos sa video ito, tayo muna ay mag-shout out. Shout out kay Ariel Rigoma. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.